guys, this is Perkins here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 4, Lesson 25, 26, and 27 because they are essentially the same things that we're talking about in each lesson, which is being able to add a pair of two-digit numbers when the ones digit has a sum that's less than or equal to 10, which is very similar to what we did in yesterday's lesson. Now, what we're going to be doing in today's lesson is talking about how we add 10 first and how we would add 1 first and what it would look like. Now, either way, it doesn't really matter, but just to kind of give you an idea of these two options that you do have. So, I'm going to first start off by breaking apart the smaller number, which in this case is 12. So we know that 12 is 10, 2. So now I'm going to add my 10 first. So I'm going to add my 10 to the 15 first. So now, looking at this, I know that 15 plus 10 equals 25. Because I just added 1 10 to that 15. So we know it's 25. Now we're going to add our 25 plus 2 together. So we know that 25 plus 2 equals 27. Now you could have counted on to figure this out. 25, 26, 27. So that means that 15 plus 12 equals 27. Now, let's talk about how it would look if we would add our ones first. Now, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to break apart 12 into 10, 2. Putting my 10 over here and my 2 right here. Because I know that I'm going to be adding my 2 to 15. So just to make it a little more organized, I figured that I would put my 2 closer. So now the 15, I'm going to add 2 to it. So 15 plus 2. Let me write my number sentence down here. 15 plus 2 equals 17. Now I have to add 10 to 17. So that's 17 plus 10 equals 27. Because I'm just adding one more 10. I added 1 10 to that 17, which made that 1 10 into 2 10s. So it's 27. So 15 plus 12 equals 27. Now, if you notice, we got the same exact number. We got the same answer, no matter which one you do first. But just want to show you that this is one way that you could do it. Or these are both two ways that you could do this. Alrighty, guys, that's it for this video.